Wha Gwann, everybody. Today I'm in Alligator Pond and I'm at a place that's legendary. This is Little Ochie. There's still work going on after the devastation of Hurricane Beryl. We're passing right now where the people down in St. Elizabeth have to be rebuilding, and part of this is to come and help some of the local business owners, especially Blackie, who does so much for the community of Alligator Pond. Coming down here, just giving us strength. So Little Ochie is a staple. Any type of seafood you want. If you want lobster, you want crab, you want fish, you want conch, you want anything, Little Ochie. Jerkfish, that big yellow tail there, that have my name on it. You have shark. How you do the shark? Fried shark, jerk shark, curry shark. And that one.
You have shark?
Jerk. Jerk?
Nice jerk.
Jerk shark?
Yeah.
What kind of shark you know?
Silver shark, grey shark. Tiger shark.
That don't look like a shark, that look like a bonita.
Look red.
Shark white.
I don't hit. I hit me, I got my glimpse yesterday.
Oh, so no shark.
I mean, I say me, they look too red.
Start in that fridge. Oh, I start up with a bright yellow tail.
One couple of
Fast.
Eh?
And as if you want to catch a video of your food.
Yeah, man, I want to see the food before I deal with it.
Yellow tail.
Yes, I just
Fresh cat.
do that jerk.
Yes.
All right. Yes,
That's
yes.
on the grill right now.
A straight on the grill over there. Just getting the grill nice and hot. Put a little oil on it, blaze up the fire. And then it's to the marinating process. It comes in here, we marinate. This is just some scallion and thing. And then it go into the grill, fresh onto the grill for a nice jerk yellow tail. Hoping they had lobster, but that's all right. We'll go with the jerk yellow tail. Big boy, 2 pound yellow tail. So this is a jerk sauce that you make, you know?
Yes. Same was with the Ochie jerk sauce. No, everybody now go Gwann, you know. I finished me.
The jerk sauce is heavily protected, so we're not allowed to film it. They just showed us a small process of the marinade and how it's going to go into the scallions. They're going to rub it into the fish. After that, fish is going to sit a little bit, marinate, and then straight to that hot grill.
Pour it right down in here so everything gets in there.
Make sure the season soak.
Yeah, make sure the season soak here. So we clean it up already, so I just rub up the sauce now.
All right.
I'll make it sit in this.
Yeah, man, make him just bathe in that for a little bit. Run.
I'll make yours so be home for a minute, yeah?
Fish has been placed in there to soak, bathe. Can barely see him peeping out. So all of that seasoning, that flavor is going to just go straight down into the meat and make sure all of it penetrates to the bone. Once it comes out, it's straight to the grill after that.
Up and down, up and down. If you get lucky, you get lucky.
Putting a nice char on that. Just took some of the heat off of it so that it can lather and blaze. That sizzle, the smell, the wood fire, the aromas coming off of that.
Fried fish, flavor start right from the eye. You smell that? The camera can look.
Yeah, man.
Camera can't smell it. You have to make them know where you smell it.
Tell them already, man, it's seasoned to the bone. You can smell everything. The onion, the scotch bonnet,
Yes.
the scallion, sorry.
Oh, onion in there and pepper in there and everything in there. And all the fish are going like that.
You're trying to go fish, man? Sorry, can you come on with you and settle?
Yeah. When I make it go and settle, you know, sometimes you just feel come out tight. So you make it air, make it get to come out.
So we just came out of the kitchen and you saw that jerk, it has a lot of char marks on it. But they also did the lobster. What they did though was boil the lobster before and then they put on a butter on it. Not sure if that butter is infused with garlic or anything, but once I saw the big pot of oil, get that scallion, that scotch bonnet pepper and the onion, so you're seasoning that oil, we had to order some fried fish as well. So fried fish, jerk fish, lobster, little Ochie. The legend, Blackie himself. And come find, look at that, a shark, that. Yeah, man, we want him.
Yeah, man, so watch out now. Foodie boss in the place now. And him say he want to taste a shark, so
yeah, man.
we just go dive off a shark for you.
Dive it up right away.
Yeah, man, for real, yeah?
So you get treat when you come here, say, no, little
yeah,
Ochie. Yeah. We got Blackie.
Respect,
What kind
man.
of shark that?
Look like a flathead, you know.
Black tip.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
All right, boss.
Yeah.
Stay and go
Me I
enjoy
go
your
take
meal.
you wherever you say how you deal with.
All
So
right,
I want
sir.
to deal with.
All right, sir.
All right.
Big respect.
Yeah, man. The food came right away, but there is a shark in there that he's taken out from us. First order of the day is this garlic lobster. Creamy, buttery. You can just take it right out. Ooh. And all of that sauce. When you get that up, yo, hands down one of the best. You know why? That grill and that smoke flavor is in it. So you see the char marks that you have on it, those char marks right there, you're getting a little bit of that, you're getting that grill taste, which is obviously seasoned from the amount of time that they've been cooking here. And that butter, that garlic butter sauce on it, that was just lathered onto it. The flavor is stupendous, absolutely stupendous. It's a perfect mix, perfect mixture. The char, the smoke, the garlic, that sauce is amazing. So we've had something in the Bahamas called cracked lobster. What we call it over here in Jamaica is French fried lobster. That lobster is fried in a batter and then smothered with escovitch sauce. And to just take it out, it's like a whole fried chicken and I can't even talk anymore. You're getting crunch, and then you're getting the lobster flavor on it. Think of a nice fried chicken chop, or fried lobster. And then you get the acidity of the, deep. You're getting the acidity of the escovitch sauce, and it's nice and spicy. You're getting that nice heat on it, but that pairs well with the crunchiness of this, of the batter that's going onto that, and then just having the onions with the crunch as well, with the acidity of the escovitch sauce. Really nice pairing. The lobster is perfectly cooked. I need to put some onion on this. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, I have to put on the fork and yam with my hand. Put the onion, little boom, make that nice little bloom of it. The onions, the pepper, the scallion that was used in the frying pan, the freshness of everything is amazing. We're right here in St. Elizabeth. This is a bread basket. This is where all of these things are grown and brought here fresh. We had our outside cutting up some of the carrots, cutting up some of the onions, the scallion. Everything was just so fresh, coming right into the kitchen. Nothing was coming out of a refrigerator. It was going straight to the kitchen and then straight to your plate. After you choose your fish, you choose your lobster, you choose your crab, you choose anything you want. Octopus, sea cat, it's all here. But look at that. Escovitch fish. I mean, everything has been so good so far. We had some escovitch sauce on that lobster. But these now is one of my favorite fish. This is goat fish. And this is one of my mother's favorite fish. So I grew up having goat fish. And they're nice when they're fried deep. Tail get crunchy, but you just bite into them. That's an excellent fried fish. Perfectly seasoned. You can taste the seasoning that's gone right down into the bone. Soaked right down into it. Nice and crunchy, but not dry. Not dry. It's another thing I like about the goat fish. It still stays juicy and moist. Going down into the jerk fish now. Look at how it's lathered with that jerk seasoning onto it. It looks flaky, it looks nice, it looks moist. Underneath there, that's where all of the go-go is. That flavor is on that skin. But she cut it and made sure that it goes right down into it. Time to try this. Top it off with a little bit of the seasoning. No, that flavor is really excellent. He just told me that people stop flying to the States with fried fish, they're flying with jerk fish. And this is one of his staples that's made little Ochie known. Why people come far and wide to Alligator Pond to come and try this. That is bomb. That is bomb. Thank you. Come on. That is flavorful. That's excellent. I'm getting scotch bonnet pepper, that seasoning, that char. You can see me scraping this up. A little bit of the scallion on it, the fresh scallion as well that wasn't on the grill. I can see why people definitely come for this far and wide. That spice just hit the back. And then it really just gives an immense flavor of that jerk. Really done well. And you can't, you know, the fact that it's on that wood fire is exactly what makes it so special as well. Smoked and not dry. So easy to dry out a snapper. I was a little worried when I saw the char mark, but no, they know exactly what they're doing. They knew exactly how to do it, when to do it, and what to do it. putting scotch bonnet pepper, putting the vegetables on it, the onion, the scallion, the thyme. I'm thoroughly impressed with this. This entire meal going to have me coming back for more. It's been a while, and it won't be as long the next time, I can guarantee you that.
That's a big scotch bonnet.
Big. Imagine the cheek of this. Oh. Yeah. A soft fish for jerk. Soft fish for jerk. Done with the play, done with the talking. I make it pretty it up. Soft fish for jerk. A good jerk fish that. Nose a run. Mouth still a water kind of done. Soft fish for jerk. You know, put your foot in it like that. You know, forgot some.
The barbecue.
The shark that?
Yeah,
Barbecue shark.
this is the barbecue shark.
Yes.
This one is the jerk shark.
Jerk shark and barbecue shark.
Grill, on the grill.
Yeah, man.
So you have, this is the grill shark.
Grill and barbecue shark. All right. Marks me, I'm full yet. Not even quarter. Worse when we get this right now. This is a delicacy. I've never had shark before. I've had barbecue shark. It looks amazing. It looks tender. And it looks very mild. You couldn't tell that was shark. It's so moist, so rich, tender, extremely tender. No fishy flavor, nothing like that. Couldn't tell me it's a little piece of soft lobster, crab meat, but barbecue sauce on it. I love how they put veg on it, so you're getting some crunch or some onion, you're getting some scotch bonnet pepper, you're getting all of that seasoning that you get from St. Elizabeth. Everything that you get from down here, the local farmers, the scallion, the onion, it just pairs perfectly well with it because the shark is so tender. I forget a shot of that. And it's still so moist. So it's just a light put that they put on it. Barbecue sauce reminds me of like a sweet and sour sauce. Has that little bit of tang. More sweet and sour to me than actual barbecue. And then we have a jerk piece of shark to try. Jerk fish was amazing. Time for the jerk shark. Just as good. Them have that sauce down pack. Your house jerk shark, down pack. Still getting the crunch, the onions, the scallion. And this is more like once it's on the grill now, it becomes a little more flaky, a little more compressed, compact, not as soft as the barbecue. More like a bonita, but still a little more juicy. Almost like a kingfish, like a mackerel, like that type of family, wahoo. First time having jerk shark, but reminds me of like a kingfish. Little more tender, not as dry. Can dry out a kingfish easily, can dry out a shark easy, but still good.